Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Miracle. Today, I'm going to show you how I create these viral health niche videos that are helping a lot of channels grow fast, get views, and get monetized because the CPM in this niche is very high and people always want to learn about their health.
ChatGPT gives me the prompts and I copy each one into Whisk AI to generate my images. I paste each scene prompt individually, adjust the style to match the clean health niche aesthetic, and let Whisk AI render the final visuals. Once the images are generated, I download all of them in high quality. After getting my images, the next step is to animate them. I go back to ChatGPT and ask it to give me the animation prompt for Grok AI with a 20-second voiceover using 11 labs. ChatGPT provides detailed animation instructions for each scene. I copy those prompts, paste them into Grok AI, upload each of my images, and animate them one by one. Grok AI adds smooth camera movement, zoom-ins, and subtle motion effects. Once each animation is done, I save all the clips to my device. Next, I go to 11 Labs, click on Text to Voice, paste in the audio prompt I got from ChatGPT, and choose the voice, Mark, because it sounds natural and conversational. I generate the speech, listen through it to make sure it flows well, and then save the audio file. Finally, I open CapCut, upload all my animated video clips, and import the voiceover. I align the visuals with the audio, adjust timing, select my caption style and font, and trim everything neatly. After that, the video is ready.